We are here at Fort Custer National Cemetery in Augusta, Michigan. Today, all of us are here representing Michigan State University, and we are actually cleaning all of the tombstones of deceased military veterans. There are also spouses and other dependents that are buried here with them as well.
It's a great service project to clean off the headstones of the over 26,000 headstones are out here, and to be able to clean some of them just to be out of respect. It's just, there's a lot of history, and it's kind of a great idea, I think.
They're not only doing a good thing for the veterans that lost their lives, they're also helping the families and all of the ones that have lost their lives here.
I think it's a great opportunity for Spartans to get out there and band together, and we create some community amongst us. I met some new people today. We met some young people that want to join our club, which is great. And there's just so many opportunities, I'm sure, in every community, where there's Spartans, there's things to do. So yeah, I would definitely encourage other groups to do it.
There is such a big impact that you can have. I truly believe, in strength in numbers, and having everybody here today is a true testament to that.
Spartans will
better their community.